In lecture 21, I explain the flashing time method. And I've also introduced you to other so-called dispersal timescales, like residence time. I also discuss the concept of water age. And I show you some methods that you can use to estimate flashing times, without using computer-based models. And these methods are extremely important. So if you, for example, want to develop a major port, a big, large port facility in Upper Spencer Gulf, say near Whyalla, So is that the same like a port facility, like in it? It's very far away from the open ocean. We're talking about some Whyalla is 200 kilometers away, or 150 kilometers away from the open ocean. Is that possible? Do you need, and that's flushing time is a concept, and water age is a concept that is used to evaluate how sheltered a region is. All right. So then in lecture 22, we talk about pollutants. What is a pollutant? I give you examples of pollutants, and we talk about conservative and non-conservative pollutants, the pollutant distributions and positive estuaries, and I introduce you to systems of coupled pollutants. Okay, it's all about pollutants. Let's just, without saying all right, sorry, I said it again, but we just move over to the next 2 slides. Last little bit of introduction. What you really need to know is about suspended sediment transport. It's a very important feature. Okay? The role of suspended sediment in the sea, talking about erosion, transportation and deposition, settling velocity of particles. The turbidity zone. This is extremely important. This is a region that holds the nutrients of your marine food chain. A large chunk of the nutrients are actually contained within turbidity zones in positive. I introduce you to turbidity currents. We talk about waves and tides. In South Australian Gulf, because I'm an expert in the physical oceanography of South Australian Gulf, so I can tell you a lot about it. I can tell you about the density-driven circulation, seasonal changes, the marine connectivity within South Australian Gulfs, and I can also talk about temperature and salinity cycles. Okay? And there's one tutorial here, and it's called To Be Advised, so I wouldn't know what happens in this tutorial. And this is almost all of it. There's 24 lectures. Okay, and there's just a little bit more. There's two more lecture, or one more lecture, sorry. Yeah, we have a look at that now.